Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set up private share for the first time on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. Next, go down and tap on biometrics and security. Then go down and tap on private share. On the welcome screen, tap on continued, then tap on allowed. Tap on allowed for the app to make and manage phone calls. Now we're just going to wait for it to go through the setup. Okay, on the next screen, you can tap on the share files button to start file sharing. You can tap on the settings icon at the top here to go into the settings page. Now at the top here, you can turn on or turn off add private share to app screen. So that is in your app screen. Now there is also an expiration date that is set with a default of 2 days. You can change this to different days or hours or minutes. So let's say if you want to share your files for 1 hour only, then you can change it to 1 hour and tap on done. And here you got phone number and app reset. So this is the phone number that your device is registered to. You can also reset private share to start over again. And now if you go back to your private share home screen, if you tap on add share file, then tap on the allow button to allow access to photos and other medias. And then if I choose image, and if I go into camera, now I have selected 2 photos, then tap on done. And then in here you can choose a contact that you want to share to. You can also search for the contact. So say I want to search for a number. So let's say I want to send to that person, tap on send. And that's it. So now that private share have added the file to the share, and it is now uploading the files to the private share server. Once it's ready, it will send a message to your recipient. Okay, once it's ready, I can also choose to cancel the request. So on my other device, you can see I can choose either to accept the share files or decline. So if I choose to accept, I can tap on the accept button. So that would be the other recipient. And here it is now trying to download the files onto the device. Now with private share, I cannot reshare those files and I cannot take a screenshot. So if I try to take a screenshot, it says can't take screenshot due to security policy. But however, I can view the file. So you can see I can view the file, but I cannot do anything else with it. I cannot reshare, I cannot take screenshot, and there is also a history timeline. So if I have received the file, it will notify the sender, and also if I open the file, it will also notify the sender that I have successfully opened the file. So let's take a look. So if I tap on that picture there, 06, so you can see here on my phone. So from the receiver and the sender, they both receive the same activity history timeline. And this file will be expire in around an hour time. And that's it. Now because I'm actually quite a bit far away from my Wi-Fi router, that's why I'm having issue downloading the photos. Otherwise, there shouldn't be a problem with sharing private file. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.